Good morning mga kabuchi! Welcome to our channel. So today mga kabuchi, we are going to feature again our philodendron plants mga kabuchi. But this time mga kabuchi, this is now the result of our yesterday's fixing activity of the garden. So see mga kabuchi, it's already clean down here mga kabuchi. And then we put them up mga kabuchi so that in the morning mga kabuchi, they can actually see or not see, but it's for the sun to see them mga kabuchi. So to get some good um, sunshine mga kabuchi, we have to level them up because behind them mga kabuchi are also plants in bigger pots. So mao na ni ang new arrangement mga kabuchi. So we have here and there and on that area mga kabuchi. So at the back, still a work in progress. Okay. Sa unay pagsulod mga kabuchi, it's raining cats and dogs. Aray ko. Okay, we're inside mga kabuchi. So this is, I think, I was not able to feature this one mga kabuchi. But this is our cardboard mga kabuchi. So I also wanted to buy the golden cardboard mga kabuchi, but it's super expensive and I'm not sure if it can survive down here. And this one mga kabuchi, they're actually of the same age, though that one was able to get a good positioning or something, unlike this one mga kabuchi. So I'm putting this one here pa mga kabuchi. When it grow big mga kabuchi, we will put it in another pot mga kabuchi. So ano sa siya? The cardboard that a golden one. So this is pregnant mga kabuchi. So our Thai constellation mga kabuchi has a big problem. You know, the super white part of the leaf mga kabuchi will turn into gray mga kabuchi like this one. Even if it's not the super white mga kabuchi, but it's turning like this. But I'm glad that this one is okay. And then this is pregnant mga kabuchi. So a new leaf is about to grow mga kabuchi. So, and this is I have a black cardinal that died mga kabuchi, but we have also this one, the new plant. I'm just hoping mga kabuchi that this can grow big mga kabuchi. And then, so it's very beautiful na. This is actually in front of my window mga kabuchi. So when I am over there mga kabuchi, this is my outside view. And then I got a problem here mga kabuchi, this giant belite. I think I need to put this one up mga kabuchi, but the pot is super heavy. So I think I need to put it in a place siguro kani siya. This should be alone mga kabuchi or along with smaller pots down mga kabuchi. I think that's the best design for this belite mga kabuchi. So I have to think it over pa on where we are going to put this belite mga kabuchi, this super giant. But I think can put it over here or somewhere. I'm not yet sure. And then this is the top cut of the black cardinal mga kabuchi. So I'm hoping that I am giving it a right place mga kabuchi, no? So that this can grow good na cool. And this one, this supposed to be over there mga kabuchi, but I think it's too shielded by this gigantom mga kabuchi. So I have there the variegated gigantom, and this one is the gigantom, but they actually come from the same plant mga kabuchi. So it turned variegated, and this one is still reverted mga kabuchi. So it's getting big now. So I need to put the bamboo pool in that kuan mga kabuchi. In that kuan, I need to put if I'm not it will not stand mga kabuchi if I'm not going to put something that can help it stand mga kabuchi. And I forgot the name of this one. Is Squamiferum. Philodendron is Squamiferum. I like this philodendron mga kabuchi because of its unique what's the name? I forgot what's the name of that kanang stalk of the leaves. So it's very unique mga kabuchi. And I think it's getting better over here. So, and this one, ay, ganahan siya. Di siya ganahan ani nga tree. I think this one will grow and will touch this part here, mga kabuchi. So, this area here, mga kabuchi, is still a work in progress. We need to rearrange this area in such a way that when harvesting our coconut, mga kabuchi, they will be slightly affected. So, we need a good design, mga kabuchi. And then the pink princess over there, I am hoping that it will grow up na, mga kabuchi, so that it can have its own share of sunlight, mga kabuchi. And then on this area, mga kabuchi, our surviving black cardinal, mga kabuchi, I bought a lot of black cardinal. I think 6. I bought 6, and it's not. And black cardinal, mga kabuchi, is expensive in the market. But then I was able to buy 6, and then I only have 2 surviving, mga kabuchi. The first black cardinal that I bought, mga kabuchi, is priced at 1,400, and it lasted here for 2 years and then died, mga kabuchi. I'm not good in it. I'm not good magod siguro, mga kabuchi, but I hope that this black cardinal here, I think, is okay because this new leaf here is bigger than its previous leaf, mga kabuchi. So I think it's getting okay still here. So we won't touch it, mga kabuchi. We will let it stay there until as long as it looks healthy. Then I have the green cardinal over there, and then the Monstera deliciosa and the philodendron Selber's flush, jungle fever. So they're supposed to be in that area, mga kabuchi, and I try to pull them out here to expose them to the sun, mga kabuchi. And I think they're getting good in there, mga kabuchi. So we will let it be. So the problem here now is how to put this belite in such a way that it would look better, mga kabuchi. I think I need to put a stand here and make this plant stand. What do you think? I think that's going to be the way, mga kabuchi. We have to let that belite stand up, mga kabuchi. We'll try to check, mga kabuchi, if we can find another pool, and then we will attach it to our belite. So overall, mga kabuchi, we have a very productive Saturday yesterday, mga kabuchi, because aside from this arrangement, mga kabuchi, we come up with here, mga kabuchi. So I'm supposed to cut this philodendron twisted marmalade, mga kabuchi, but then I decided to just let it stand up high, mga kabuchi, together with this one. So I want both plants to stand up, mga kabuchi, stand up just like this one. So we put in bamboo poles here, mga kabuchi, so that the plant will start standing up, mga kabuchi. Diba? I hope really that they can really stand up, mga kabuchi, stand up. And then I think the golden banana, mga kabuchi, is now understanding that it needs to grow up, mga kabuchi, to find some sunshine, and then just go up. So our initial plan is supposed to be to put some poles here, mga kabuchi, but it's the other way around. So the poles are now standing here, mga kabuchi, at the back. So this one, mga kabuchi, we will still go with that plan, mga kabuchi, but not just today, mga kabuchi. So maybe by next week, mga kabuchi, we will try to put in a pole here, mga kabuchi, kana lang commercial pole, mga kabuchi, so that we can also have this plant stand up, mga kabuchi, and see how it will look like. So this is gonna be the end of our video, mga kabuchi. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.